Hey everybody, this is Valerie. This video is going to cover how to use tasks inside the ASNSPARK CRM, how to set up tasks for yourself as reminders and how to set them up for other team members who might be using the CRM. So when you log in, you're going to see this dashboard, this type of dashboard. You may see things a little bit differently, but basically these are the things you'll see. And right here, you're going to see tasks. Now, when you log in, it's going to show you whoever you are logged in. And if you have any tasks, they're going to show up here. So I'm going to pretend that I'm someone else today. I'm going to be Bob. And what you can see is all of his tasks. Now, Bob is a salesperson and he lives by his calendar and by his tasks, his to-do list. So what he does is he goes through and he checks these off as they're completed. So I'm going to show you a task. This is our friend Don. And what I did was, this is Don's profile. He's a contact. If I were to go to tasks, you can see that I put this task in the other day. So I put it in for Bob and I put it in as due today. So I'm going to add a new task, and the task title is just going to be simply test. Please follow up with A, B, C, D, E, F, or whatever I just typed in. If you don't assign it to anyone, no one will be notified. If you assign it to Bob, now I can make the due date today or right now, so it comes to the top of his list. But if it's not due for 2 weeks, I can say not due until Wednesday, December 22nd, and I can hit this. Now, once I hit save, this task is now going to end up on Bob's list. So when he logs in, he's going to see that task. So now I'm going to say that task was completed. So we are going to get rid of that task. All right, so that is how you add tasks. And every time you or your colleagues log into the dashboard, if you've put some tasks in there for them to do, they will show up here. So the other thing that we can set up for you is that every time a task comes, the date is due, is coming up, we can send an email or a text or both to your team member or to yourself, and we can automate this. So once we set it up one time, you don't have to worry about it. We can give you a 24-hour advance notice, a 1-hour advance notice, whatever it is you would like. You can we can set it up so that when a task is entered, that you get a notification, and when a task is due, you get a notification. So this is how you use a task list or a to-do list inside the CRM. This is particularly helpful for people who are in sales, marketing, and even recruiting. Thanks, everybody. Bye-bye.